Mamma mia! Today I'm cooking the tallest, twirliest spaghetti ever. Of course we need spaghetti. Lots and lots of spaghetti. Fresh tomatoes, garlic, and basil because flavor is everything. And don't forget the parmesan, a true spaghetti hero. Okay, shopping done. Now let's cook. Clean veggies, clean flavors. Bellissimo! Chop, chop, chop. Tomato shower. Free spot treatment. Into the pot. Don't stick together, noodles. Tomatoes, garlic, basil. The smell is pure magic. Oh, I think I made a spaghetti tornado. Come back here, Basil. Oh no, my parmesan wheel. Behold, the tallest spaghetti tower ever made. Mamma mia! Cheesy, saucy, twirly perfection. Follow for more tasty adventures with Chef Kitty.